Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class, English online class. In the last class, I have explained you the lesson, right? Meeting the Suzanne, right? Not meeting the Suzanne, sorry. Matilda can do magic. The lesson I have explained, right? In the last class, today we are going to start the grammar. Today we are going to start the grammar. Okay. In the grammar, I'm going to teach you today active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. What do you mean by active and passive voice? We'll learn first. After that, I'll teach you the stepwise. Okay. Fine. Now we are going to learn the active and passive voice. What do you mean by active and passive voice? Active voice describes a sentence where the subject performs the action. Performs the action. See, they've said performs the action stated by the verb. Stated by the verb. Active voice describes a sentence where the subject performs the action. Perform is doing the action. Perform the action stated by the verb. Stated by the verb. But then one more, same thing I have explained in a simple way. A sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. That acts upon its verb. Okay, verbs. Example, for that one example I have given, I cleaned the room. I cleaned the room. One example, I cleaned the room. Here, passive voice. You'll come to know when I tell the difference between active and passive voice. Passive voice describes a sentence where the subject is acted upon by the verb. Acted upon. The subject is acted upon by the verb. The simple sentence, I made same thing the simple way. A sentence is that a subject is a recipient. Subject is a recipient of a verb's action. Verb's action. Example. One example here also I've given. The room was cleaned by me. The room was cleaned by me. See here, I cleaned the room. In the active voice, same sentence. Difference between active and passive voice here. I cleaned the room. The room was cleaned by me. The changes between the active and passive voice. See, the sentence is same. The sentence is telling same meaning. I cleaned the room in the direct way. I cleaned the room. The room was cleaned by me. The room was cleaned by me. Means indirectly you are telling that the room was cleaned by me. Understood? The difference between active and the passive voice. Active voice describes a sentence where the subject performs the action. Performs. I cleaned the room. Performs the action stated by the verb. A sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. That acts upon its verb. Here, passive voice describes the sentence where the subject is acted upon by the verb. Subject is acted upon by the verb. A sentence is that a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. Example, the room was cleaned by me. Here, see, I cleaned, I here. There, me. Okay? The room was cleaned by me. Understood, children? Can you understand the difference between active and passive voice? I hope you have understood clearly what do you mean by active and what do you mean by passive voice. Okay, in this there are many things in active and passive voice. We'll learn now. Okay. Please listen to me carefully when I'm explaining. Later, if you get doubt, it will not be clear. So that is why listen to me carefully when I'm explaining the lesson or either when I'm teaching the grammar. Okay. Now we are going to learn. There are many things in this. First one is simple present tense. In active and passive voice, there is this thing, simple present tense. Present tense. The second one is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Third one, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Fourth one, the simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay. Next, after simple past tense, the fifth one, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Then the sixth one, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. The last seventh one, simple future tense. Simple future tense. Simple future tense. We are going to learn in a brief manner. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense. Simple future tense. We are going to learn in a detailed way. For each one, I'll be giving example. Okay. First, we'll learn about the simple present tense. Don't copy in the classwork these all things. Just listen to me. Okay. Don't write anything. What I'm explaining on the board, don't write anything. I'll be telling you when you have to copy the exercise when I'm giving you. Okay, don't copy these all things. Don't copy these all things in the rough note or either in the classwork. Okay. First, we'll learn about the simple present tense. In this, I'll tell you which is active voice and which is passive voice. There is a difference between active and passive voice in this. Okay, we'll come to know simple present tense in this active and passive voice. She delivers the letter. Okay, delivers the letters. In passive voice, the letters are delivered. The letters are delivered. See the difference between here? She delivers the letters. The letters are delivered. I said no when I'm explaining active and passive voice. The difference between the sentence looks same, but there is difference. Okay. She delivers the letter. She delivers the letter. The letters are delivered. Already it is delivered. She delivers the letter. Second one, reporters write news, reports, writes the news, right, in active voice. The same thing, news reporters are written by reporters. Same thing. See here, are written by. Reporters write the news reports. News reports are written by reporters. Okay. The next one more example I'm going to give in this. He receives the letter. He receives a letter. He receives a letter. There is a difference in this. A letter is received by him. Is received by him. He receives a letter. Direct. Active voice. This is passive voice. A letter is received by him. Okay. Hope you have understood this. See, this is simple present tense. In this simple present tense, how to identify whether it is active voice, whether it is passive voice. See in this by seeing. She delivers the letter. It's a direct way. The letters are delivered. Already it is delivered. Reporters write news reports. Write news reports. News reports are written by reporters. He receives a letter. A letter is received by him. Next. Hope you have understood. So I am moving to the next one. Next, which is the next one, children? Present continuous tense. Second one is present continuous tense. Okay. In this, active voice and passive voice. Active and passive voice. How to differ active and passive voice in this? How to identify? See one example, 3 examples I'll give for each and everything. Then you will understand. Okay. She is delivering the letters. She is delivering the letters. In passive voice, the letters are being delivered. She is delivering the letters. The letters are being delivered. See the difference in this? She is delivering the letters. The letters are being delivered. Okay. The next one more example. I am reading an interesting novel. An interesting An interesting novel is being read. I am reading an interesting novel. I am reading. At present, I am reading. An interesting novel is being read. See the difference between the two sentences. I am reading an interesting novel. An interesting novel is being read. Okay. One more example in this. Michael is baking a cake. A cake is being baked by Michael. See the difference between these two sentences. Michael is baking a cake. Is baking. Right now is baking. A cake is being baked by Michael. Is being baked by Michael. See the difference between two active and passive voice. She is delivering the letters. She is delivering the letters. The letters are being delivered. The letters are being delivered. See the difference, children? In this present continuous tense, active and passive voice. Hope you have understood this also. Don't copy this in any books. Just listen to me. Okay? Just listen to me. Okay? Next, we'll go to the next one. Next one. Third one. Next, present perfect tense. Third one. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense in this active voice, passive voice. Just listen to me. Don't copy anything in the rough note or either in the classwork. Okay, just listen to me. Okay. What do you mean by this present perfect tense in this active and passive voice? How to differ in this? First, one example. They have already discussed the book. They have already discussed the book. Passive voice. How you will see in the passive voice? How you will change the in the sentence? How it will change in passive voice? We'll see. The book has already been discussed. Has already been discussed. They have already discussed. They have already discussed. See the difference between active and passive voice. They have already discussed the book. The book has already been discussed. Already been discussed. One more example in this. I have read an interesting I have read an interesting novel. Interesting novel. In this passive voice, an interesting novel. An interesting novel has been read. Has been read. I have read an interesting novel. I have read an interesting novel. I have read an interesting novel. An interesting novel has been read. Okay, see the difference between active and passive voice, children, then you will understand. I have read an interesting novel. An interesting novel has been read. The next, have you understood this, children? Have you understood what is active and passive voice in this present perfect tense? Next, we'll go to the next topic. And keep on repeating, don't copy this in the rough note or in the class work. Just listen to me, okay? If there is any doubts regarding this, when you're giving the class work for correction, you will be coming to school, right? You can ask me, okay? I will be clearing your doubts. Next up. Next is simple past tense. Next is simple past tense. Next is simple past tense. In this active voice and passive voice. Okay? Here. Simple present tense. The company hired new workers last year. New workers were hired by the company last year. What is the difference between these two, active and passive voice? And in active voice, the company hired a new workers last year. New workers were hired by the company last year. See the difference between these two sentences? The company hired new workers last year. New workers were hired by the company last year. Okay. The next one more example in this. I made a cake. See, a very simple sentence I have given. I made a cake. A cake was made by me. A cake was made. Made. A cake was made. I made a cake. A cake was made. See the difference. Made. I made a cake. A cake was made. Understood the difference between these two active and passive voice in simple past tense? In the simple past tense, I made a cake. It's a present one. A cake was made. It's a past. It's a passive voice. It's a past. These things you can see the changes between two sentences, active and passive voice. Hope you have understood. We'll move to the next one. Next one is past continuous tense. Next one is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. In this again active and passive voice. In this again active and passive voice. I was making a cake. I was making a cake. Was making a cake. Active voice. Okay. In passive voice, a cake was being made. Was being made. Was being. See the difference between this? I was making a cake. A cake was being made. Was making. I was making a cake. It's an active voice. Passive voice. A cake was being made. Was being made. One more example. The salesman was helping the customer when the thief came into the store. The salesman was helping the customer when the thief came into the store. Was helping. Here, then in passive voice, the customer was being helped by the salesman. See the difference between two sentences, children? Salesman, when the thief came into the store. See the difference between these two, active and passive voice. The salesman was helping the customer when the thief came into the store. Was helping. The customer was being helped by the salesman when the thief came into the store. Was being helped. Was helping, was being helped by the salesman when the thief came into the store. Did you find the difference between active and passive voice, children? This is active, that is passive voice. This is past continuous tense. I was making a cake. I was making a cake. A cake was being made. Was being made. Here, the second example, the salesman was helping the customer when the thief came into the store. Was helping. The customer was being helped by the salesman when the thief came into the store. When thief came into the store. Hope you have understood this. We'll move to the next one. Don't copy anything, okay? I'll tell you when you have to copy the grammar, okay? This is only explanation. Don't copy this. Please read the textbook grammar. If you didn't understand, please you can come and ask me when we'll be taking for the correction when we'll be telling you to bring the classwork and homework for correction, or during that time you can ask me. Okay. Next is past perfect tense. Next is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In this again active and passive voice. In this again active and passive voice. How to identify active and passive voice in this? I had made a cake. See, don't think ma'am is giving same sentence for all the things. Okay, I had made a cake. In this, a cake had been, see the difference, had been made. Had been made. See the difference? I had made a cake. A cake had been made. A cake had been made. See the difference? Can you find out the difference in these two sentences, children? Next, one more example I will give, okay? I had done my homework. I had done my homework. I had done my homework. In passive voice, my homework had been done. My homework had been done. I had done my homework. My homework had been done. Same thing, but a different way. I had done my homework. My homework had been done. Understood? The difference between active and passive voice? Past perfect tense. This is past perfect tense. In this active voice, I had made a cake. In the passive voice, a cake had been made. Had been made. In this active voice, one more example I've given. I had done my homework. My homework had been done. My homework had been done. Hope you have understood it. This also. I'll move to the next one. The last one. The next one is simple future tense. Simple future tense. Again in this active and passive voice. Again in this active and passive voice. In this also I will give example, two examples. I will make a cake. I will make a cake. A cake will be made. In this, a cake will be, see, will be made. Will be made. I will make a cake. A cake will be made. A cake will be made. The company will hire new workers. New workers. Will hire new workers. New workers will be hired by the company. By the company. Will be. See here, will be hired. See the difference? The company will hire new workers. The company will hire new workers. And new workers, sorry, I have not written new here. One second. New workers will be hired by the company. New workers will be hired by the company. Can you see the difference between two sentences, children? Active and passive voice. The company will hire new workers. New workers will be hired by the company. Understood? Hope you have understood this all topics. Here, I hope you have understood all these topics. If any doubts, please ask me in the, when you are coming to give the classworks and the homework. Okay. The exercise part will be done in the next class, and I will inform you when you have to bring the classwork and homework for correction. Okay, children. Thank you.